morning. My name is Rizky. Could you tell me your full name, please?
Good morning, my name is Gilang Febrian Hidayat.
Thank you. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Now it is first part. I like to ask you some question about yourself. Let's talk about your student. What are you studying the moment?
I am currently a first semester student at Universitas Negeri Medan, majoring in mechanical engineering.
Why do you go study mechanical engineering?
Well, I've always been fascinated by home machine work and their design process. Moreover, I have strong interest in technical drawing, which is crucial skill the industrial field. I believe mechanical engineering will allow me to develop this skill further and apply it practical in my future career.
Let's talk about technical drawing. Where do you first become interested in it?
I first developed an interest in technical drawing during my high school years. We had a basic engineering class where we learned to create simple mechanical drawing. I found it incredibly engaging how complex machine could be broken down and represented through precision drawing.
How do you think technical drawing skill benefit mechanical engineers in the industry?
Technical drawing skills are invaluable in industrial sector. Engineers use this skill to communicate design concept efficiently, create the detailed blueprint for manufacturing, and ensure accuracy in production. In my opinion, proficient in the technical drawing also help engineers visualize and solve problems more efficiently.
No, I am going to give you a topic and it like you. I tell about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you tell you, I have 1 minute to think about what you going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Here the topic. Describe on technical drawing project you work on the world like to work on. You should say 1. What what the project was about. 2. Why you cause or what caused this project. 3. What skill were or will be required. 4. And explain why this project is important in the context of mechanical engineering. Here's some paper and pencil for make notes and heard you 1 minute to paper.
I'd like to talk about a technical drawing project I am currently on as part of my mechanical engineering coursework. The project involves creating detailed technical drawing for a small scale hydraulic lift system. I chose this project because hydraulic system fascinate me and their video use in various industrial applications. The project required me to draw multiple components, include the hydraulic cylinder, piston, and overall assembly, showing how all parts interact. This project demands several crucial skills. First and foremost is precision in measure and scaling. Every dimension must be accurate and clearly indicated. I also need to understand and apply various technical drawing convention and symbol specific to hydraulic system. Additionally, special visual skills are essential to represent three-dimensional object two-dimension drawing efficiently. In the context of mechanical engineering, this project is significant for several reasons. Firstly, it helps develop the ability to communicate and complete mechanical concepts visually, which is vital in the industry. Engineers often need to convey their design to manufacture, and accurate technical drawing are the universal language for this communication. Moreover, creating this drawing deepen our understanding of how mechanical systems work, as we need to consider every component and in function while drawing. Through this project, I'm not just learning to draw, I'm learning to think like an engineer considering practical aspects like assembly, maintenance, and manufacturing process. This skill will be influential in future career in industrial sector.
Thank you. Now let's discuss some more general questions related to technical drawing and industry. In your opinion, how has digital technology changed technical drawing in the engineering field?
Digital technology has revolutionized technical drawing in numerous ways. Computer-aided design, or CAD, software has made it possible to create more precise and complex drawing much faster than traditional manual methods. This tool allows for easy modification and sharing of designs among team members. Further, 3D modeling capable enable engineering to visualize and test design virtually before physical prototype, saving both team and research.
How do you think the influence of technical drawing skill will elevate in future of industrial engineering?
While digital tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, I believe this fundamental skill and knowledge of technical drawing will remain crucial. Engineering needs to understand the principle behind creating and interpreting technology drawing to efficiently use digital tools. Moreover, the ability to quick sketch concept by and is still valued during the initial stage of design or when collaborating with colleagues. I think the future, future I think the future will see a blend of traditional drawing skill and digital expression.
What challenge do engineering students face with learning technical drawing, and how can this be overcome?
Major challenge is developing spatial visual skill, the ability to mentally manipulate three-dimension object and represent them in two-dimension. Some students also struggle with the precision and attention to detail requirement in the technical drawing. To overcome this challenge, consistent practice is essential, starting with simple objects and gradually progress to more complex on helps build confidence. Essentially, studying action technology drawing and understanding industry start can improve professionally. Peer learning and seeking feedback from experience processing and also be developed strategy.
Thank you very much. Then concludes on speaking test.